First thing you do is you get the race and put it on top of the bearing itself and make sure it's sitting flat. And then you get this piece that comes with the tool, and you put it this way, and then you get the upper piece and you put it just on top, and you have those two circles. You have to make sure the lower one sits flat on the race, and then usually you get like a couple of those clamshells depending on the size of your carrier. We can use this one. So for this you have to make sure that the lower edge goes underneath the bearing. You can go down and check as well, and the upper circle goes right underneath the upper edge of the clamshell, and the other one you put it on this side. Make sure it's all sitting there tight, and then you get this piece to hold the clamshells together, and you close it with the bolt. And now you can use an impact wrench to pull the bearing out. Okay, you can see it's almost halfway there. Almost there, and it's out. Now we take this guy out, we remove the clamshells, take this out, and you can see the bearing is out and it's fully reusable. We didn't damage it. And just make sure when you take out the shims, you know which side is which.